We have a MacBook Pro. It's an A1502. A1502s are between 2013, 2014, 2015. So the 2013, 2014, all parts are interchangeable. The 2015, the standout difference would be the trackpad itself. The trackpad of the 2015 cannot be used between 2013 2014. This one is coming in for trackpad, Wi-Fi. It's been assessed. Doesn't seem like the Wi-Fi is working. Do you know what the password is for this one? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe. Okay, so I suppose they also reinstalled the machine, thinking that will fix the issue. And let's see. So yeah. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to put in another card to see if that fixes the problem. So let's flip it. Did it also go to Macwave? Let's see, it's got a Macwave sticker. Okay, this is a 2013, 2014. And one of the ways you can easily tell that it's the trackpad cable goes over the battery if it's a 2015. Okay, so what we're gonna do is so with this one, the the Wi-Fi card is not directly on the board. The Wi-Fi card communicates with the board via two medium. Number one, it's the IO board. So the Wi-Fi card connects to the IO board. The IO board has two communication. It has a data cable and the power cable. So this is the data cable and that's the power cable. So sometimes one thing you can do to easily to see if maybe you have a problem with your Wi-Fi with the board itself is you can connect a drive to or something to this board here, because the board holds the ports on the board are the USB, HDMI, and your SD port. So if, for example, if you happen to have a problem with the board, so if you check any of those, that will give you an idea. So what you can quickly do is let's just plug something to it. Alex, okay, it's a working screen. No. Okay, so let's just see if we've uh, connected. We have power, and as you can see, it's blinking, which is it's trying to read data. So we don't have a problem with the board, so to say. So if I go to this, if you go here, as you can see, uh, we have uh, we have the drive being okay. So that means we necessarily do not have a problem with the card as yet. So the next thing we want to do is we are going to use a different card. To do so, we will shut the device down, put in another card to see if that will fix the problem. Okay, let's get another card. No, you didn't have to. What? This is a for the 25. This is 2012. 2012. Can't get another one. Yesterday, that the machine that I was talking about, the 2012, that's the one, the A4025, the one that I wasn't sure what model it is. Okay. Okay. Hmm. There's no kind of drive on this one. It's actually good that we. Okay. Let's get another one. On the screen or on the board? Yeah, it can be replaced. Okay. I'm not going to put a screw. So let's see. So there are two ways we can check this. We can hold the Alt key. We don't want to go to desktop. We can hold the Alt key to see if we can get the list of Wi-Fi. Or we can also let it go to desktop. So on the boot menu here, if we click there, if we have okay, so we seem to have a list of Wi-Fi. So let us try to connect to it. Sometimes you might have a situation where you try to connect to it and it doesn't connect. Okay, that seemed to work. It's wasting time. In some machines, when the battery is not connected, you may get the machine running slow. So this is not one of those really, and usually that will also be when you have a lower wattage. But yeah, this is it's still a premium, is it? This is wasting. So if this was a 2018 and above, even with me holding the keys, after it does the first dunk, it's just gonna start. It's not gonna respond to respond to it anymore if it's a 2018 and above. So it might just be that the problem with this card is this capacitor here that is not looking good. This one here. Hmm. Okay, first thing first, let's see if we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a card works. Now, just to be sure, let us put the card back and say, just to make sure that we're not having an intermittent issue. Okay, so this definitely is a card replacement. So, but what I want to quickly check is that cap that I said doesn't look good. Let's remove the cap and see if that makes any changes. This one here. This. It's just for test purposes because even if it works, we're still going to change it. Which one? It does. It doesn't kill the Wi-Fi itself, but if it causes the components to corrode, yeah, that might become a problem. Sometimes it may actually have a short on the Wi-Fi card, which would translate into a short on the board itself. Okay, so the problem was that capacitor, but we're still gonna we're not gonna use it. So that capacitor was the reason for the Wi-Fi not working. Is it? Um, you can. Okay, just 1 minute. I'll finish now. It's gonna be with you now. Say again. The speaker. Yeah, it looks like a speaker. It's but the client speak about the speakers now. You see the screws here. So I mean, no, they're not the same. Yeah. So the two here are gonna be the smaller, the smallest of the set. So one and two, and then the rest will be the same size. So this one, that's part of. So that's part of this one here. I said that one there. So there's supposed to be two of those, just in the middle, and then the rest are the same size. Okay, so you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Wi-Fi and it's stable. So this only needed a Wi-Fi replacement, Wi-Fi card replacement, and that's about it. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.